Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a pleasure having you here. On this channel we talk about how to produce things that you can sell and market to people, just making a small business for yourself, creating something for yourself, and also tips on how to promote your business online. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, please kindly like, subscribe, and comment, and give me a thumbs up so that people that are interested in this content will click on this channel and also watch this content. I create very educative things for you, things you can do on your own and make money from. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make lip balm, moisturizing lip balm for your lips, and it can be used during hammer time, and it's also a quick action lip balm that will give you pink lips under 1 week. So this is the pink balm here, pink lips balm. So I'm going to apply it so you see how effective it is. And in production I used organic things to make this lip balm, so you can see how effective it is. Very organic things. I used beeswax, shea butter, oil to create this lip balm. So if you can look, if you see my lips are pink. It also helps with chapped lips and dry lips, and it's also very good in harmattan, during harmattan period. So just without wasting much time, you can watch the video right now. So this is what it looks like. It's actually pink. I also used food coloring to make it pink like this. So without wasting much time, let's go into the video. Hello guys, yes, so sorry my camera is like this, so because I need to capture everything. So here we have shea butter, mango butter, the beeswax, frankincense essential oil, grape seed oil, coconut oil, a fragrance oil, and the food coloring. So these are the things I used to make the lip balm. I chose, okay, that's the grapeseed oil. I chose this oil because it has moisturizing qualities. Then that's the food coloring. Then that's the fragrance oil. That's strawberry fragrance oil. And that's coconut oil. Then frankincense essential oil. Then this is beeswax, which I'll be putting on fire, double boiling on fire. That's shea butter and mango butter. So now I will combine the oil, the grapeseed oil, the coconut oil. Okay, first of all I will combine the shea butter and the mango butter. I'll combine it in the beeswax. So after combining it now, I will put in my oil, the grapeseed oil. You can actually use any other oil of your choice, but I chose these oils because they are moisturizing. So that's grapeseed oil, then a coconut oil. Each of them is I measured 6 grams of it. Then now I'm melting it now on fire, both the oil and the shea butter and the mango butter. This is what we call double boiling. So I'm just melting it. You can see it's melting on fire. I've also added the food coloring into the mixture. So I just set it on fire, let it melt. You can see it's gradually melting on the fire. So when it has melted now, It has melted, yeah. So I'll just transfer it into my containers. So you can see it's now melted. So now you can see now I've melted it now. So the next thing now is to pour it. Okay, first, okay, yes, sorry. The next thing is to put my fragrance oil, and yes, I'll be putting 2 drops of the fragrance oil because it's quite strong. So, and this oil, like, it's just a little amount, and the whole lip balm is smelling really nice. So just 2 drops of it. Then I'll put in my frankincense essential oil into the mixture. Just a little drop. You know, when it comes to essential oil, you don't even need so much. Just a little drop of it. It's okay. So I'll just pour it in small, little. So after that, I'll just put it into my containers. Before, you can see it's already getting hard already. So I'll just pour it into the containers right now. Then it will set. So you can see now I've poured it in now. So you can see it's now hard. So that's how to make pink lips balm. And this is a fast acting pink lips balm. Under 1 week itself, you see difference in your lips. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. So please kindly hit the like or subscribe, comment. Bye.